Hey guys, this is a review of BumGenius and Flip covers. BumGenius pocket diapers and Flip covers. So we're going to do the pocket first. The pocket is green. The lighting in her room, in Victoria's room, is absolutely terrible. But the inside looks like this. It has legs elastic and back elastic. It has a nice little pocket opening and a little flap that can go over the pocket to keep the inserts in. It is back opening only. Inside I have bamboo and microfiber. This is what the back looks like. It has a tag off to the side, doesn't really bother me. The front, these, I love BumGenius pocket diapers and I love Flip covers. So, I mean, Victoria's on the large setting of some of her pocket diapers and some of her covers, but BumGenius and Flips are medium size still. It like blends in with her. Yeah, it's green, not yellow or any other color. So that's the pocket diaper. This is the Flip cover. It's exactly like the pocket diaper except without the microfleece or whatever. So this is what the outside looks like. They look exactly alike, obviously. The elastic legs. The elastic relaxes a little bit, I've noticed, on Flips, but they still work, and they're my favorite cover. So it has the front little flap to keep pre-folds or whatever in, and it also has a back flap. So that's why they're my favorite, because they have a front and a back flap. These covers were my very first diaper covers ever, and I cannot say enough good about this brand. I will be purchasing more Flip covers for the next baby and more BumGenius pocket diapers for the next baby. So I give these both 5 out of 5 stars, and I highly recommend these to be a part of your stash. So this is a review on my BumGenius and my BumGenius pockets and my Flip covers.